Doy. Hey, Doy.
Morning, sir. We are here to present our business plan presentation about Internet Cafe. Our business name, Bugadots Internet Cafe. And this is just a partnership business. And Cesar Castillo will follow to do the rest.
Bugadots Cafe is a typical cafe will provide a unique forum for communication and entertainment through the medium of internet. Bugadots is the answer to increased demand. The public wants access to methods of communication and volumes of information now available on the internet and access at a cost they can afford and in such a way that they aren't socially, economically, or politically isolated. This business plan is prepared to obtain financing in the amount of 1 million overall. Company summary. Bugadots soon to be located in the city of Ormoc in front of Ormoc City Fountain, the location of Ormoc City Hall before. Easy and affordable access to the internet. Bugadots will provide full access to email, www, FTP, Usenet, and other internet applications such as Telnet and Gapper. Bugadots will appeal to individuals of all ages and backgrounds. The instructional internet classes and the helpful staff that Bugadots provides will appeal to the audience that does not associate themselves with the computer age. These educational aspects will attract younger and elderly members of the community who are rapidly gaining interest in the unique resources that online communication have to offer. The downtown location will provide business people with convenient access to their morning cafe and online needs. Company ownership. Tony Boy Tandoy, the founder of Bugadots, is the majority owner. Brian Ira, Cesar Castillo, and Paul J. Trutan all hold minority stock position as private investors. Startup expenses details. 11 computers, we budget at 500,000. 2 printers, 30,000. 1 scanner, 10,000. Software, 15,000. Other fixtures and remodeling, 20,000. Coffee, food, preparation counters, 15,000. 1 information display counter, 15,000. 1 drinking eating counter, 17,000. 6 computer desks with chairs, 50,000. 2 telephones, 2,000. Decoration expense, 20,000. Good coffee, specialty drinks, bakery goods, and a comfortable environment will provide Bugadots. Customers will have a home away from home as a place to enjoy the benefits of computing in a comfortable and well-kept environment. Fulfillment. Bugadots will obtain computer support and internet access from Elite Computers. Elite will provide the internet connection, network consulting, and the hardware required to run the Bugadots. Cabigon Brothers will provide Bugadots with cafe equipment, bulk, coffee, and paper supplies at this time. Contract for the bakery items has not been completed. Technology. Bugadots will invest in high-speed computers to provide its customers with a fast and efficient connection to the internet. The computers will be reliable and fun to work with. Bugadots will continue to upgrade and modify the systems to stay current with communication technology. One of the main attractions associated with internet cafes is the state-of-the-art equipment available for use. Not every has a Pentium PC in their home or office. Market analysis summary. Target market segment strategy. Bugadots intends to cater to people who want a guided tour on their first spin around the internet and to experience users eager to indulge their passion for computers in a social setting. Furthermore, Bugadots will be a magnet for local and traveling professionals who desire to work or check their email messages in a friendly atmosphere. These professionals will either use Bugadood's PCs or plug their notebooks into internet connections. Bugadood's target market covers a wide range of ages, from members of Generation X who grew up surrounded by computers to baby boomers who have come to realization that people today cannot afford to ignore computers. Strategy and implementation summary. Bugadood's has three main strategies. The first strategy focuses on attracting novice internet users by providing a novice-friendly environment. Bugadood's hopes to educate and train a loyal customer base. The second and most important strategy focuses on pulling and power internet users. Power internet users are extremely familiar with the internet and its offering. This group of customers serves an important function at Bugadood's. Power users have knowledge and web browsing experience that novice internet users find attractive and exciting. The third strategy focuses on building a social environment for Bugadood's customers. A social environment that provides entertainment will serve to attract customers that wouldn't normally think about using the internet. Once on location at Bugadood's, these customers that came for the more standard entertainment offering will realize the potential entertainment value the internet can provide. Attract power internet users. Bugadood's second strategy will be focused on attracting power internet users. Power internet users provide an important functions of Bugadood's. Bugadood's plans on attracting this type of customer by providing the PC computing technology, providing scanning and printing services, providing access to powerful software applications. Attract novice internet users. Bugadood's first strategy focuses on attracting novice internet users. Bugadood's plans on attracting these customers by providing a novice-friendly environment. Bugadood's will be staffed by knowledgeable employees focused on serving the customer's needs. A customer service desk will always be staffed. If a customer has any type of question or concern, a Bugadood's employee will always be available to assist. Knowledgeable and friendly staff. We've gone to great length at Bugadood's to find people with a passion for teaching and sharing their internet experiences. Our staff is both knowledgeable and eager to please. State-of-the-art equipment. Part of the Bugadood's experience includes access to state-of-the-art computers equipment. Our customers enjoy beautiful flat-screen displays, fast machines, and highly quality printers. Upscale ambience. When you walk into Bugadood's, you'll feel the technology, high-back mahogany, both with flat-screen monitors inset into the walls provide a cozy hideaway for meeting and small friendly gatherings. Large round tables with display viewable from above provide a forum for larger gathering and friendly how-to classes on the internet. Clear vision of the market need. Bugadood's knows what it takes to build an upscale cyber cafe. We know the customers, we know the technology, and we know how to build service that will bring the two together. Competitive edge. Bugadood's will follow a differentiation strategy to achieve a competitive advantage in the cafe market. By providing internet service, Bugadood's separates itself from all other cafes in Ormoc. In addition, Bugadood's provides a comfortable environment with coffee and bakery items, distinguishing itself from other internet providers in Ormoc. Marketing strategy. Bugadood's will position itself as an upscale coffee house an internet service provider. It will serve high-quality coffee and espresso specialty drinks at a competitive price due to the number of cafes in Ormoc. It is important that Bugadut sets fair prices for each cafe. Furthermore, Bugaduts will give away 3 free hours of internet use to beginners who sign up for an introduction to the internet workshop provided by Bugaduts. Pricing strategy. Bugaduts base its prices for coffee and specialty drinks on the retail profit analysis provided by our supplier. Cabigon Brothers Cafe Co. Incorporated. Cabigon Brothers has been in the coffee business for 22 years and has developed a solid pricing strategy. Sales strategy. As a retail establishment, Bugaduts employs people to handle sales, transactions. Computer literacy is a requirement for Bugaduts employees. An employee does not possess basic computer skills when they are hired. They are trained by our full-time technician. Our full-time technician is also available for customers in need of assistance. Bugaduts' commitment to friendly, helpful service is one of the key factors that distinguish Bugaduts from other internet cafes. Management summary. Bugaduts is owned and operated by Tony Boy Tandoy, the founder of Bugaduts, the majority owner. Personnel plan. The staff will consist of 6 part-time employees working 15 hours a day, shifting 150 per hour. In addition, one full-time technician who is more technologically oriented to handle minor terminal repairs inquiries will be employed to work at 300 per PC. The 3 private investors, Brian Iraq, Stelio Cesar, and Pajet Rotan, will be included in management decisions. This simple structure provides a great deal of flexibility and allows communication to disperse quickly and directly. Financial plan. The following section lay out the details of our financing plan for the next 3 years. Startup funding. This business plan is prepared to obtain financing in the amount of 1 million. The supplemental financing is required to begin work on site preparation and modification, equipment purchases, and to cover expenses in the first year of operations. Additional financing has already been secured as follows. Personal savings from owner Tony Boy Tandoy from 3 investors in the forms of short-term loans. That's all. Thank you.